I've got this feeling, I'm feeling you could be the one. I see no reason why I should ever let you go. I don't wanna wake up if I'm dreaming, because you know I can't get enough of this feeling you're giving me. Don't wanna wake up. No, I don't wanna wake up.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna clean out the cabinet underneath my kitchen sink. It is completely destroyed. That's basically where I put all of my cleaning supplies and any other random things that I find around the house. I shove them in there, but it's mostly cleaning supplies and just stuff that needs to be organized. That is supposed to be in there, but it's just in a big mess right now. So I'm gonna get in there and clean that out. But first, I wanna show you what I picked up from the store to get it all organized. So let's go do that real quick. Okay, so I picked up this basket, and all of this stuff is from Walmart. I just ran to Walmart real quick. But I picked up this basket. It's one of those baskets that has the little hinges and it hangs over the door. But it's kind of wide, so I don't know if it's gonna work, but I'm gonna try that out to see if that will like hold my trash bags and maybe some Ziploc baggies and plastic wrap, things like that. And then I bought this, and I actually don't know if I'm gonna keep this either, but I thought this was cool because it's a rod, but it's the Command brand, so it sticks on, it's not permanent, and I thought I could stick it to the side of the cabinet, and then I could hang my Windex and all of my cleaning supplies on here. Like, I'll have to show you, but I'm hoping this fits in there, so we'll try that. And then I just picked up this acrylic tray to put my dish brushes in to hide those away, because some of them are just ugly, but I don't want to get rid of them because I can still use them on some stuff. And then I picked up this Easy Liner smooth top, and it's got this little white and gray pattern, and I thought I could line the cabinet or the cupboard with this before I put everything else down, just to make it a little prettier because that cabinet under there is gross. And then I picked up several of these. I love these containers. They're the Better Homes and Gardens plastic container, and they have a lid like this, and you just pull up on this. They're really easy to open. These are perfect for organizing because they stack. And so I got a couple of these in this size, and then I also got another one that's a little bit skinnier and taller. So I'm gonna put some of my dish soap pods in here, some sponges, and then I had an idea for this one, but I can't remember what it was. So I'm gonna mess around with these and see how I can organize with those. And then I also picked up some trash bags because we were out, and then some more SOS pads and some more dish soap because I was running out of those. So the first thing I'm going to do is get in there and spray it down and wipe it all out, and then I'm going to go ahead and line it with that white and gray Easy Liner, and then we will start organizing. Alright, so this is what we're working with today. It is awful. We've let this go way too long, and it's been on my to-do list forever. So I'm going to go ahead and start unloading everything out of here so that we can get it all vacuumed and wiped out.
I don't know for how long I'll get to hold your hand, to be your guiding light in the darkest of nights. I will try.
If this is your first time to my channel, welcome. My name is Lauren, and I make lots of videos about decorating, organizing, home decor, all things homemaking. So if that's something you're interested in, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. I upload every single Wednesday and Saturday. I would love to have you. And also, if you are new, comment down below how you found me. I would love to know.
And as long as my heart beats.
Alright, now that that's cleared out, I'm just going to grab my Dyson and vacuum up these crumbs. This little area under here is pretty badly damaged. I don't know if it's water damage or damage from the tenant before us, but anywho, most of that did not come up when I wiped it down, so I'm assuming that it's water damage. But I'm just going to vacuum it the best I can, wipe it down, and then we're just going to put that Easy Liner over it and pretend none of that is there.
Start your own family. I will try to do my best until the day that I die. I won't lie, it's not going to be easy, but I'll try.
That big spot in the back, I'm assuming that someone stuck a sticker there and then tried to peel it off and it didn't work. But I have scrubbed and scrubbed at that, and I even scrubbed at it when we moved into this apartment, and it does not come up. So I'm just going to wipe down this cabinet, like I said, the best I can. It's not going to be perfect when it's done being wiped down, but we're just going to cover it with that liner.
As long as my heart beats like a drum, then I won't back down. Don't you worry, I'm not going anywhere. I will stay here, I will stay here. And as long as my heart beats like a drum, then I won't back down. No, I won't back down.
That liner was super simple to lay down, and I feel like it made all the difference in making this look 100% better. And now that that's done, I'm just going to grab all of the things that I bought to organize and get to work. I decided to use the two stackable containers for my dishwasher pods and my sponges, and I went ahead and just put the sponges on the bottom because I use those a lot less than the dishwasher pods. And then in the taller container I put my SOS pads, and then in this little acrylic tray I went ahead and put my dishwasher cleaner as well as a dish brush, and then later on I'm going to add my disposal cleaner in there. I like to have all of those things handy. And then I used the basket on the door for some trash bags and my Ziploc bags. I went ahead and kept both the basket on the door and this rod. I love both of them. They made a huge difference when I was trying to organize everything. So with the rod, I hung it there with the command strips, and then I let it sit for about 10 minutes before I hung anything on it, just so I could make sure that it was well stuck to the wall. And then I hung about 6 or 7 bottles on there, and they still have not fallen. So I'm loving that, and it made everything look so much neater. Whenever I organize, I like to take things out of their original package just so everything is color coordinated and looks nice. So I'm just going to go ahead and throw away all of those original boxes and bags, and believe it or not, I filled up a whole trash bag during this process. And then I'm just going to take all of the rest of these cleaning supplies and put them in this cute little bucket, and I'm going to set that back behind those plastic containers. I went ahead and put my Mrs. Meyer's and my Clorox wipes right there where I can grab them easily, because those are items that I need a lot. And then I put my Ziploc bags and my trash bags in this little basket, and I'm absolutely loving that. And here is the before. Y'all, this was so bad, and I'm so glad that I finally got to it. And here is the after. Y'all will have to let me know what you think down in the comments below. Thank y'all so much for watching today. If you are not already, hit that red subscribe button below, and I will see y'all next Wednesday.